Samsung Galaxy S9 leak brings even more information about this new device, including some impressive camera specs. Samsung recently confirmed that its all-new smartphone will be revealed at Mobile World Congress next month, but it seems there's very little we don't know about this device. If all of the rumors and leaks are true, it appears the Galaxy S9 will feature a dual-curved AMOLED display, similar to the current S8. This means that, from the front, it's unlikely the S9 will look that much different from its predecessor, although things could change for the better on the rear of this new phone. That's because it's thought there will be a new position for the fingerprint scanner, which will now sit just underneath the camera in the middle of the rear case. An updated design should make it easier to use this popular security feature, and things should be even faster when unlocking the device via improved facial recognition. As well as better features on the outside, it's also thought things will get faster on the inside with the inclusion of new processors. Although not confirmed by Samsung, it seems the S9 will include 2 different chips depending on where you live. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 and Exynos 9810 are thought to be the processors that will be tucked under the hood of this flagship, with both offering huge speed improvements and longer battery life via better efficiency. Now, a new leak from Korea and website ET News may give us our best idea yet about the cameras being included on the S9 and S9 Plus. It appears the standard S9 will get a single rear 12-megapixel camera, while the S9 Plus will be treated to a dual-lens 12-megapixel setup. Although fans of the smaller S9 will be disappointed to hear they might not get a dual snapper to play with, there is one piece of very good news about this camera. The new rumor suggests the S9's camera will be the world's first flagship smartphone to feature an f1.5 aperture. This means it should be one of the best devices for taking pictures when the lights are low. Apple's iPhone X possibly holds that crown at the minute, and that device has an f1.8 aperture.